Hey everyone, this is Nom. Welcome to another tech update about new Google Pixels. You already guessed it through title. We are talking about the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Hit that like button if you're ready to some juicy details and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Let's get into it. Last week we saw the Google Pixel 9 steal the spotlight with not just one, but two hands-on videos, and now it's time for its big brother, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, to shine. Recently spotted on TikTok in a couple of quick clips, this device is turning heads and how. First up, let's talk size. The first video gives us a side-by-side comparison with a regular Pixel 9. As expected, the Pro XL is looking more robust, promising more screen real estate for all your viewing pleasures. And for those who love a good size comparison, the second video throws in a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra into the mix. It's a great way to gauge how the Pixel 9 Pro XL is stacking up against one of Samsung's largest flagships. Mark your calendars because Google is shaking things up with an early surprise event on August 13th. They are unveiling the entire lineup, the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, and yes, the big break Pixel 9 Pro XL, along with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And about the pricing, it's leaked yesterday. It's a bit of a mixed bag with some prices holding steady and other climbed up. Seems like Samsung's recent price hike on their new foldable might be setting a trend here. So what do you think? The Pixel 9 Pro XL going to be your next big tech splurge? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's chat about it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.